Hey, home cooks! Want to start your day with a delicious protein boost? Let's make a mouth-watering breakfast wrap that's as nutritious as it is tasty. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 egg whites, a whole wheat tortilla, cooked black beans, shredded chicken or turkey, some low-fat cheese, avocado, spinach or kale, a tomato or salsa, and a touch of olive oil. Got everything? Brilliant. Let's get cracking, literally. Crack your eggs and egg whites into a bowl, whisk with a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, prep your filling. Chop that tomato, mash the avocado if you're using it, and shred your meat if it's not pre-cooked. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, add a bit of olive oil and pour in your egg mixture. Scramble until just set, about 3-4 minutes. Now warm your tortilla in the same pan for 15-20 seconds each side or microwave for 10-15 seconds. Easy peasy. Time to assemble. Lay your tortilla flat and layer on the scrambled eggs, chicken or turkey, beans, cheese, spinach or kale, tomato or salsa, and avocado if using. Now, fold in the sides and roll tightly from the bottom up like a burrito. For an extra crunch, toast the wrap seam side down in the pan for 1-2 minutes until golden and warm through. Slice it in half and voila, serve immediately, maybe with some Greek yogurt or a fresh smoothie. There you have it, a protein-packed breakfast wrap that'll keep you energized all morning. Enjoy and happy cooking.